Today's video is an Instagram hack. I'm going to show you how you can take a picture and cut it into sections. That way you can upload those sections to your Instagram feed and have them get reassembled in your timeline as one big picture. This is a great way to make your Instagram pop, and not a lot of people know how to do this, so I'm going to break that down for you today. As always, make sure you like and subscribe, and let's get started.
DJ Beneficial, what?
Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is grab our picture. For today's video, I'm gonna go ahead and use this picture right here of me DJing. And I'm just gonna go ahead and grab that, drop it right into Photoshop. That's gonna automatically open Photoshop for you and generate your template. It's very convenient. Now, once your Photoshop is ready, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go to Image, and we're gonna go to Canvas Size. And we're gonna resize that. Now, you want your width and your height to be numbers that are divisible by 3. So we could do 90 by 60 if we wanted a rectangular shape. Since I actually want a square shape, we're gonna go ahead and do 60 inches by 60 inches and go ahead and press OK. Now that we have the image the way we want it, we're gonna go ahead and export it. And we'll just call it DJ Pic. And that'll export to your desktop. Once you see it appear, just go ahead and grab it and drop it right into Photoshop again. So now we have our nice square canvas to work with. So we're gonna go back to Image, and we're gonna go back to Canvas Size. And this time we're gonna divide this number by 3. So 60 is gonna become 20 by 20. Go ahead and press OK. So now this is where the fun begins. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna press Command T, and let me just zoom out here a little bit. And we're gonna go ahead and just drag this right into the corner. Now what's great about Photoshop is it has this like auto lock feature where it gets right into position and then kind of grips the edge there. And that's what's gonna make this process so simple. Once you got it right there in the corner, go ahead and press return. And we're gonna export this. We're just gonna call it 1. And we're just gonna keep moving. Press Command T again. And we're gonna drag this, and you're gonna see right here when it gets in the middle, you're gonna see that purple line, and that tells you it's locked in the right position. Go ahead and press return, and we're gonna export that. And we're gonna call it 2. Now the reason why we keep it numbered is so that we know what order to upload them to our Instagram. Go ahead and press Command T, and we're gonna slide that into the bottom left corner. Go ahead and press return, and that's gonna be number 3. Now for number 4, we want to go back to the right side, and we're going to get that right in the center. It's going to grip to the end, and then once you see that purple line, you know you're dead center. Go ahead and press return. We're going to export that as number 4. Go ahead and press Command T and just get that right there. Once you see that crosshair in the middle, that's when you're in the perfect position. So go ahead and press return, and we're going to export that number 5. And we're just gonna keep moving, go all the way to the left. Make sure you got that purple crosshair. That's gonna be number 6. And we're gonna go to the top right corner for number 7. And once you get that crosshair again, top middle is gonna be 8. And last but not least, top left corner, that's gonna be number 9. Now we're all set. We can go ahead and close out of Photoshop, and we don't even need to save anything. Now everything should be right here on our desktop. You see 1 through 9. So we're gonna go ahead and just grab 1 through 9 all together here. And we're gonna go ahead and just right click on that, and then we're gonna do an airdrop. And let's airdrop that to your cell phone. All right, so once you got them all into your cell phone, you're ready to go ahead and upload them to your Instagram. Just make sure that you do them in the correct order, which is why we have them labeled numerically. All right, now back over here in your iPhone, go ahead and open up your Photos app, and you may see something that looks like this. Here you can see that all the files are in the phone now, but they're not in the correct order. Now that doesn't really matter. The only thing that matters is how they look when you upload it to your Instagram. If you do have an issue where you forget which one to upload in which order, just go ahead and reference the ones that are on your desktop that have been labeled numerically for that very reason. Now let's head over to Instagram. Go ahead and hit the plus sign at the top of the phone and start uploading. Once you've uploaded them, you should have something that looks like this. And that's how you do it. All right, well that pretty much wraps it up for today. I hope you found this information to be helpful, and if you did, be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And let me know in the comments what you want to learn more about next, and I will always do my best to accommodate. Other than that, just want to say thank you to each and every one of you who came by and watched the video today, and I will catch up with you again on the next one. Peace.